What's up, fellas? This is me, Ali, again, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast of the Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Guys, lately the market is once again moving exactly in line with our previous forecast. Yesterday, if you guys can recall, we spoke about the gold that the market is crossing the 50 pairs EMA here. The market not only has crossed the 50 pairs EMA, but it has also formed. If I zoom into the gold chart on the hourly time frame, you can see there are three bullish candles forming on the hourly time frame, and these three bullish candles are known as three white soldiers. It's a candlesticks pattern which drives the bullish sentiment in the market. Right now, the market is testing the double top pattern. For example, this is one top, and then this is the second top here. The double top patterns are basically known for providing solid resistance to investors. Right now, gold is facing solid resistance, and there's a probability that we will see a slight retracement in gold. There are two reasons why I'm saying that we can expect slight retracement. First of all, as you see here, on the hourly time frame, after dramatic surge in the gold prices, we are seeing a doji candle followed by a bullish trend in the market. One thing, and typically such type of behavior drives bearish retracement in the market, which is exactly what is going on in the market right now. Secondly, we have a bearish crossover on the MACD. Thirdly, the market, the RSI value is coming out of the overbought range, which means that there is a probability that the market will slightly go down, and if it falls down, the market has a potential to test 1706 level. Above 1706 level, we can expect a continuation of a bullish trend, because 50 pairs EMA will also be there to provide support, and above these levels we can expect a continuation of bullish trend, while the immediate resistance is going to be 1720. Above this, the market will be going after 1732 and 1743 level, but it depends upon when 1720 level gets violated. Anyways, this is all about the gold, the precious metal gold. By the way, guys, let's take a look at the Euro USD. But you should also keep in mind that today we have FOMC. FOMC is basically a Federal Open Market Committee. That is a department of Federal Reserve, which is a central bank of United States, and FOMC is responsible for driving the interest rate decision for the US central bank. For example, the FOMC members, they do meet 12 times here, and on every month they decide what should be the supply of money in the market. They analyze the macroeconomic events, like how is it going on with the unemployment rate, what's the situation of jobless claims, what's the situation of non-farm payroll, how is it going with GDP, manufacturing PMI, services PMI, and the trade balance figures, and lot more economic events. So if the economic situation seems better, if the indicators are performing well, then the FOMC, or the Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee, they will decide to go for either hawkish monetary policy or either dovish monetary policy. It depends what is the situation of the market. But if, as I said, if the situation of macroeconomic events is getting better, then definitely they will go for hawkish monetary policy, or we can expect them to keep their monetary policy stable considering the situation what is going on right now. Economy needed accommodation in terms of money supply. Therefore, we do not expect FOMC to, or Federal Reserve, to change their interest rate. However, we can expect them to speak about something neutral monetary policy. Anyways, this is not the pair that I wanted to open. This is Euro USD. Guys, I was looking at the Euro USD. Let's have a very quick look at the Euro USD. By the way, as you see here on the hourly time frame, the Euro US dollar has formed a ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern means that there is a highest high, highest low in the market. Let me check if I can turn on my pen. Yep, here is it. Okay. Anyways, as you see here, the market goes up, market falls down, market goes up, market falls down. This is what we call highs high and highs low pattern. So one thing which is common here is that the uptrend is there, the market is following uptrend, market is consistently following uptrend, but the on the higher side the resistance is always same, like the market is never able to violate this particular resistance. So which is why this is basically called ascending triangle pattern. By the way, typically the market violates ascending triangles on the higher side, therefore you should keep an eye on 1.1370, because the violation of 1.1370 is likely to drive bullish trend until 1.1482 level. So I believe that's pretty much it for now, and just keep an eye on 1.1370, because above this we will have an opportunity to go long on Euro USD. So guys, that's all for now. See you guys again in the next update. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.